measure it. 28. Whatever.
28 grams.
Just record it
That's
from
fine.
scratch.
What machine are you using to roast this?
That's just a Amazon branded popcorn air popper.
Popcorn air popper. All right, look at that. That's the brand that we're using.
That particular brand's probably not going to be available.
This one, this is what the bean that we're using right here. Coffee bean Corel. 1994. Let's see. And it comes in how many pack you order?
Well, 3? Individual bags.
Individual bags. So this is what the bean look like when it's not roasted. You don't get that dark color at all.
It's like green and yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah, the camera doesn't.
Look like stone, right?
Yeah.
Stone beans.
It comes in cloth bags, which is pretty interesting.
It has to breathe, I guess.
Yeah.
Little cute bags.
Okay,
Alright.
so you're gonna lose about 20% moisture in the coffee, and it'll actually puff up quite a bit. So if you look at this, you can't see. Anyway, it's coming up to about here. Can't see that either. So I guess you just have to take my word for it. It'll puff up. All right.
So why a popcorn popper?
This is a complete shortcut. The popcorn popper is about $20. The coffee roaster is about, I don't know, at least 200. This is a complete hack. You'll actually find Reddit threads. I don't know what subreddit. I don't get on there much, but there's a bunch of people doing this. I tried date seeds yesterday, which was pretty good. So yeah. All right, let's crank it up.
You don't need a cover?
Well, it doesn't pop. So.
Zoom in.
What? Why? Oh no, I'm gonna go up. Over here for you go down?
Go down. Better.
Awesome. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, that's better.
Ooh.
Wow. As you roast it, the chaff comes off. So this is the outer skin. There you go. Okay. Okay, so we're about 7 minutes in. It's about a medium roast. Let's give it a few more minutes and see what happens. All right, that looks pretty good. About where we want it. Now that it's done roasting, time to cool it down. You only did about, what was it, 28 grams or so? So I probably lost a good bit of the moisture. And this is what we're left with. Time to cool this down, clean it up. And if you have some pieces that are really unroasted or burnt or anything like that, take them out. Like this one looks under roasted. They're not going to taste too good. So this one still looks a bit green. So I'll toss this out. So we have a couple of those. And outside of that, it's the issue that you might face is that it's not the most even roast. Now that's not roasting. That just needs to be cleaned up. But in the very beginning, if you actually move the machine around, it helps make a much more even roast. For example, this one's kind of dark. This one's a bit light. Um, initially, if you don't move it around, it can create some burn spots. So beyond that, it's just a matter of optimization. But yeah, here's your roasted coffee. Let it sit for a day and you're good to go. So for a light roast, it takes about 6.5 minutes. For a dark roast, as much as 10 minutes. This is kind of in between, so you can roast to your preference. See you on the next one.